Hey, it's Corey again. Welcome to this week's Just the Tip. At Meat and Potatoes Organizing, we do a lot of pantry organization. And one thing that I have noticed lately is the amount of drinks like Element or electrolyte drinks or, those little packets that you like dump into your water. They are collecting. They are very popular right now, and they are collecting in abundance and creating a lot of clutter. So in order to actually use these drinks that you purchase, I would highly recommend setting up a drink drawer or a drink cabinet or some type of visible drink solution, maybe mason jars, and you put the drink sticks in there so you can actually see what you have, so that you create the habit to take that electrolyte or whatever it is, powder mix, bring it with you, put it in your water, and actually use that product. A lot of people buy these products, they maybe use it once or twice, and then it sits there and it expires, and then we have to throw it away. So my goal for you is to create your drink drawer, and it's gonna be so beautiful and so useful, and plus you will be hydrated. So it is a win-win on all fronts. And that's my tip of the week. Let's go make those drink drawers. I would love to see them. Post your thoughts in the comments.